Yeah.
Ma'am, I only have one question. Why is the project's due date May 10, 2027?
It's actually the project due date is over.
Ma'am,
Okay, when is the due date?
it is May 10, 2027.
I think it was supposed to be June 10.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Miss Milan.
Ma'am, you know that water project, right? That theme project in math. Yeah, when I tried that, it did not work.
I asked you to send a message once you're done, then only I can open it up. I cannot keep it open for all the time.
No, ma'am, I mean the water project did not work, the optical illusion.
It did work. It worked for everyone. How can you say you didn't do it properly? Is everyone?
Yes,
Keep your paper with you, pen with you. Keep everything ready. You cannot go and take it to
ma'am,
home. Yes.
I'm pretty ready.
Ready? Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, I did it yesterday. I started editing yesterday night.
You can upload whatever you have.
I did upload. Yeah.
Abhi, please turn on your camera. Barira, turn on your camera, please.
Is the question Monday?
Today's assessment. Keep your paper, pen, everything ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yesterday you said to put what you say, the things we wrote in a presentation, right? I made that presentation, but the video did not come.
Okay.
It was saying your Chrome was filled with storage.
You have
Morning,
the
ma'am.
camera, right?
Yeah.
Easy.
Okay, Amila, please turn on your camera. Barira, please turn on your camera. Guys, in the morning is a written examination, right?
Yeah.
Presentation.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I drink water?
Sure, why not? Definitely.
Okay.
One second. I just need to make an edit.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I was joined
Where
you
is
guys.
Lazel is not here. What happened to Lazel? Okay, is everything ready? Barira, paper. Abib, do you have your paper? Milan?
Yeah.
Once the assessment start, you cannot go here and there, okay? You have to be in class until it is over. Same like we did yesterday. You remember, right?
Can I mute? Now, for now.
Same like we did yesterday. We'll be doing. You cannot turn off your cameras in between. Okay? The teacher that is coming, I have told her you guys are very nice kids. Asba ma'am will be coming for the assessment.
Ma'am.
Please follow the rules.
Ma'am, can I please say something?
Hi Milan.
Yeah. Ma'am, I did all my projects. Even today, I completed all.
Did you upload it? Doing it?
Yes, I upload everything.
Okay, that's
never won the water optical illusion because I have to try it.
Why is everybody wearing blue?
Because brother,
Blue is the new favorite
Friday.
color for everyone.
Oh my god.
And also I'm wearing a jersey. Cristiano.
He's wearing blue party. I think he's wearing light blue. And Miriam is wearing blue. And Helena is also wearing blue.
Actually, not a blue T-shirt. It's a blue jersey.
Oh, it's a jersey.
Yeah, for Cristiano Ronaldo.
I don't know why you like Ronaldo or Messi or something
Well,
like
because
that.
Messi, when he steps in the match, he breaks his ankle within 1 second.
Yeah, within 1 second. I don't get it. Why boys like so
Bruh.
much?
As soon as you play games, you go, ah!
Lira, soccer is for soccer is for everyone, not only for boys. Yeah, but I didn't knew they were so obsessed with it.
And also, I saw a video that they say girls are better than men at football. Hell, nah, bro. Nah, bro. You know what men did a solo with women, and bro literally cooked everyone with all. He did a bicycle kick in front of them. Nah, bro, showed them who's over.
We said that so fast that I didn't even understand.
Actually, that might be a beat because you're over. What do you mean girls is better than at football? Make some senses. Hey, there is someone better than everyone. Cristiano Ronaldo.
No one is equal.
No, there is someone better than everyone. Ronaldo.
Not true. Everyone is equal.
Okay, but you take that away. Ladies want to
What is
join
that?
in. I think he's having
Exactly, of course.
Wait, Barina, what is that? She's not going to join for an exam.
Drag it.
How did Barina made that?
Just see a YouTube tutorial. That's it. I even made it, but
London, right? The dress competition is in London, right?
Okay, ma'am is here. Bye bye, people. Have a good day. All the best.
Right.